Thank you, Madam President. And Madam President, I'm rise this evening in support of the legislation and want to thank members of the Circle for the debate tonight. This is probably one of the first debates where we've seen so many folks in the Circle in a long time, where we've had the opportunity to talk and to learn and really have the opportunity for folks to get up and speak the truth that they know and for people to listen. We started off this morning having judicial nominations with Senator Winfield and Senator Kissel going back and forth, putting things on consent, people running in and out for votes. But these are why we have the Circle and why we call it the Circle. This is where we learn from each other and we hope to be better and to make a better state. So I want to thank Senator Anwar, Senator Winfield, their committees, Senator Summers for her work, bringing this bill forward, and again, but everybody who has shared their stories this evening. Madam President, when I see what's happening in other states, limiting a woman's right to choose, I get very disgusted by what I see. Because what I see is what's happening in other states is an attack on women's health, and it is an attack not it is an attack because it has been an attack for decades against women and their health, and that what I see right now are mostly men, look like me, who are proposing legislation that impacts women's health and their rights, their reproductive rights. And that makes me very angry. So as Senator Cohen said, we don't have votes in other states. I don't have a vote in Texas. I don't have a vote in Oklahoma. I don't have a vote in all the other states where I see bills that literally attack women and their health care. And so we can do here is we can vote for this legislation that ensures in our state that women who come from those other states have access to have the legal rights. They don't have this long arm coming from Texas or other places that will punish them. And Madam President, what I also see is what others have said, is that if somebody with means, a woman with means or a family with means wants to find another state where they can have an abortion, they'll be able to do it. What these attacks in these other states are attacks on poor women. And that, in my opinion, is wrong. So, Madam President, I am also, as others have said, proud to live in Connecticut. Doesn't mean we're perfect, and we certainly have a lot of work to do. I value, as I've said, the debate that we've had tonight. This is why we sit in the Circle, all equals, learning from each other. But I view this legislation as one that is important, one that is good for women's health, and one that is a response to what we may see in the U.S. Supreme Court and what we're seeing in other states across this nation that have decided to go in a different direction. Thank you, Madam President.